Electronic branch, this all automated devices are there for self-directed customers. People can bank 24/7. For the bank, it's a very cost-effective model, and it allows us to move to new markets with state-of-the-art technology. And important thing, wherever we put up a branch like this, it is important that there is control of these devices over a central place, so that one knows which things are working and which are not working. So all the devices which we have put have a central control with the bank. What are the services? The main important one, we have launched an interactive kiosk for non-cash transactions through debit card. And I would be covering some of these in details, actually, what all you can do on the kiosk. Then cash and check deposit. Cash deposit has been one of the needs for which a customer was required to come to the branch. Now in these 24/7 electronic branches, we are giving the capability for a customer to deposit the cash in the machine itself. And they get the instant credit. Then internet banking, few new features are there. We have also found a lot of customers who don't have access to internet at their home, or while they are on the move, they don't have access to internet. So we are giving them a place where they can come and do their transaction through internet banking at our office itself. ATMs have been a traditional channel, all of us use it, and you would be aware that we have added huge number of value-added services on our ATMs, which allows a good number of branch transactions to be done there. Two more important things which we have done is, we feel that there is, even though it's an electronic branch, it is important that there is a human bridge also for the customer. So some of the devices which we have put in these branches, they allow the customer to talk over a video to our centralized teams. So in case they have any doubts, they want more clarification on anything, they can go on a video call from these offices. So this is one-stop shop for banking needs, as I indicated earlier. There are multiple self-service options, round the clock, uniformity in service experience. Anywhere you go, it is going to be the same experience. Huge number of value-added services are available. Personalized offers based on customer needs. These we do using our analytics tools based on individual needs of the customers. How we can be more and more personalized to every customer. And as I indicated earlier, this is the USP to penetrate in new and alternate markets. I am covering 4 items in details which are there in the branch. One is interactive kiosk. I have talked cash acceptor machine, check deposit machine, and internet banking. The kiosk is a one-stop solution for queries across products. One more thing for which a customer has to come to the branch to get the full statement. If you see ATMs, etc., they all give a very mini statement. The printer is very small. So we have built this kiosk with a full A4 printer through which a customer can print the full statement right there at the kiosk. They need not go to the branch. So again, any time of the day, they can come and print their statement. Other services which are complete 360-degree view of their relationship with the bank, they can see on this kiosk. They can do all kinds of fund transfer, bill payments. Again, checkbook requests, etc., can all be done online on this machine. This is one feature which in some places has been introduced and some places we are in the process of doing is check truncation. If you look at many cities in South India and in Delhi and NCR, checks need not go in clearing to the bank. Only an image has to flow. So these kiosks we are enabling so that the image can be captured then and there and the check gets truncated. And the customer would get the benefit of early realization of these checks.